Hello my esteemed viewers, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to V tutorials. Today I'll be showing you something great. Okay, so all you just need to do, if this is your first time coming across to this amazing channel, do what to subscribe, like and share. And if you are returning viewers and you are kind of yet to subscribe, do what to subscribe, like and also share videos so that it can go viral. Okay, so as you can see today, Bitcoin has entered another phase, almost phase 5. Okay, as you can see, the the BTC today is rallying over 66340 or 338 as the case may be. So what do we need to do, like currently, like right now? All you just need to do is to make sure you indulge into this trading now and start making the profit for yourselves. Okay, so as you can see, for the couple of, let's check one day back. For a couple of days ago, it has dropped drastically to below 60, which rally over 56.542, which is here. Look at down here. Okay, which this was on the on the May 2nd, which is a couple of days back. Let's say getting to 2 weeks ago. So coming back to it 1 hour. For over 1 hour, it has been trying to take a very nice move, an irrational move. So looking at it from this previous move, this to shows you that this is about to take another great journey, okay, that will be able to increase your purchasing power. So all you just need to do now is to come back to your 15 minutes and make sure you buy now to start moving. Okay, so the second coin I wish to kind of introduce to you this very today, this very right moment is, let's go to it. Okay, so what is it called? It's also a product of a BTC, which is called SAT. A SAT is a Satoshi coin that has been doing well for like a while now. You can see the SAT has been down for a couple of days. It went down up to 2505 and now it has been revived again. Okay, and now it has been revived again. So all you just need to do is to also get SAT, which is a Satoshi nurtured coin, and keep moving. Okay, so before that, we would like to look at the 1 day and how down it has gone. Wow, it has gone to as low as 2223 and now it's resurrecting. Okay, so all you just need to do, make sure you get this right now for yourself if you really want to double your fund on this very market of crypto. Okay, so let me add you one more and I'll be done for this class for today because I do not wish for it to be too long. Okay, the next one I want to show to you is one of those newest baby coin in the market that was introduced a couple of days ago. Let's say maximum 4 days ago. It's called the bubble. See, this is the bubble. All you just need to do, indulge in bubble now, and believe me, you will thank me later. So do not forget, like my video, share my video, and if you do have any question, drop it at the comment section. I'll attend to you ASAP. Thank you. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.